This is my friend Parrot. We go on a lot of adventures together on the unstable SMP, but whenever he gets in trouble, I always have to bail him out with my PvP skills. So, I decided it's finally time to teach him how to defend himself by coaching him in sword PvP. But surprisingly, Parrot isn't as bad as you would think.
Literally cheated. I get two free crits now.
Okay.
Two free crits.
Two free crits. Do it. Yeah, there you go. That's a crit and a half. Right there.
What the frick was that cheats, bro? Bro, stop cheating! Stop cheating!
Whoa.
That's actually so sad that you killed a player without any...